There we go, another honk. That is cool, guys. Just got a hug from Alaska. This is a converted one. I think this is H49. I think the back might be H4. So let's watch the doors close as it leaves. There's another Oscar over there going to Emu Plains via Blacksland. Over there we have a Waratah ASAT. Has the new doors closing. That has the old doors closing, that Oscar over there. This Oscar is going to Newcastle Interchange. So I got here at around 7:45. And the next car is H16. Over there we have A51. Last set is H16. The next train to arrive here should have come from a Richmond service, and the train that's going to arrive here in around 5 minutes will be here extremely soon. So there goes H16. The front is H49 plus H16. The next train to arrive on this platform will be in around 5 minutes. So we'll just do some normal train spotting for now. There's a Waratah ASAT. There's A51. Over here is a Waratah ASAT.